Two household names in digital payments, PayPal and Wise, both trusted by millions, but which really delivers? On the left, PayPal, the global payments powerhouse for businesses and individuals. And on the right, Wise, the champion of transparent, low-fee international transfers. Let's skip the buzzwords and see what matters for your money. Each category earns its own score, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result in 2025 might just surprise you. All right, quick overview before we get into it. Here's our mind map. We'll be comparing PayPal and Wise across these 7 categories: fees and exchange rates, global reach and currencies, speed, features and integrations, security and trust, ease of use, and who each platform is actually best for. That's a lot to cover, but I'll keep it real and to the point. All right, first up, fees and exchange rates. Now, PayPal is everywhere. Seriously, it's almost like the default for freelancers and small business invoices. And you don't pay monthly fees for personal accounts. But, and this is a big one, you'll really feel the pain when you're dealing with international transfers. High fees, something like 4.4%, plus a chunky conversion markup. And yeah, there are some sneaky charges in there. So, if you're sending money across borders, those costs just stack up. Now, Wise? Here's where they totally flex. Fees are much more transparent, usually in the range of 1.6 to 1.9%. And this part is awesome. You get the real mid-market exchange rate. No markup nonsense, no mystery fees. Okay, so there's a tiny charge if you need an eFirc in India, and you can't do cash pickups. But overall, Wise is definitely the smarter choice here for your wallet. Next, let's talk about global reach and currencies. PayPal has been around forever, so no surprise, it's available in over 200 countries, supports more than 25 currencies, and honestly, everyone knows the PayPal logo. Sometimes, though, withdrawing to a bank isn't super convenient, depending on where you're at. Wise, on the other hand, supports holding and sending in 40-plus currencies, and can send money to 70-plus countries. Oh, and you can even get local bank details in 10-plus major currencies, which is huge for businesses. But it's not quite as omnipresent as PayPal, if you're counting countries. And there's no cash pickup network. Still, for sheer footprint, PayPal just barely edges ahead here. All right, moving on to speed. With PayPal, if you're transferring between PayPal accounts, the money moves pretty much instantly. Same for quick online payments. But here's the catch. Pulling out to a bank, you could be waiting 3 to 5 business days, which just feels slow in 2025. And if the recipient's not on PayPal, yep, more delays. Now, Wise comes in swinging. Up to 70% of their transfers are completed in under 20 seconds. Most land within a day or two, and you even get clear time estimates before you send. Love that transparency. Now, speed does vary depending on where you're sending money, and those blazing fast transfers sometimes cost a bit extra. But on the whole, Wise is taking this round for speed. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Wise actually started out as TransferWise? Their whole thing was making cross-border payments as cheap and painless as possible. Pretty wild when you think how far they've come. Now, for features and integrations, this is where PayPal gets to show off a bit. As a payment gateway, it works seamlessly with tons of e-commerce platforms. Things like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, you name it. You get handy extras like invoices, subscriptions, payouts, dispute management, and even solid seller protection. Okay, sometimes it throws a few too many options at you, and it can get a little overwhelming if you just need basic transfers. Wise, meanwhile, does great with multi-currency balances and batch payments. Super helpful if you're paying a global team. It plugs into Xero and QuickBooks and gives you those juicy local account details for receiving payments. But no direct e-commerce gateway, so not quite as friendly for shop owners. In this category, PayPal is still the powerhouse. Let's hit security and trust next. Both platforms are seriously locked down. PayPal, everyone knows, has robust buyer and seller protection and is about as established as it gets. Sometimes accounts face more scrutiny, especially if there's even a whiff of fraud. But hey, better safe than sorry. Wise? They're fully licensed and FCA regulated in the UK, and they've built a solid rep for transparency and compliance. Not as much universal name recognition, especially if you're talking to your grandma, but in terms of actual security, it's rock solid. Bottom line, I'd say it's a tie here. All right, let's talk about ease of use. PayPal keeps it super simple for buyers. Instant payments, basic setup, pretty much anyone can use it right out of the gate. But if you're getting into international business payments, things start to get a little more complicated. Lots of settings, some confusing fees. Wise, on the other hand, their web and mobile apps are just clean. They make international transfers feel easy and automatic, and currency conversion happens in the background. Only downside, no cash pickup, and you'll need the recipient's bank details. Still, both are pretty user-friendly, just with different vibes. I'd call this one even. And finally, best for. Who are these actually best suited for? PayPal is the go-to for online merchants, freelancers with global clients, and anyone doing buy or sell transactions on a checkout platform. It's easy, it's familiar, and sellers get that extra layer of protection. But for high-value international transfers, yeah, not the most cost-effective. Wise, on the other hand, is just brilliant for remote teams, global payroll, freelancers who get paid by bank deposit, and basically any business dealing with frequent international payments. If you're running a shop, though, it's just not as flexible. For this category, PayPal edges it for e-commerce convenience. So at a glance, here's how the two stack up across all the categories. PayPal's winning on reach, features, and seller tools, while Wise is nailing transparency, speed, and just crushing it on fees. Pretty close, but each has some real standout strengths. So here's my honest verdict. If you're focused on e-commerce, digital invoices, or client payments, where customer convenience and seller protection are key, PayPal is going to be tough to beat. But if you're doing lots of international transfers, getting paid from overseas, or you just want to see exactly what you're getting charged every step of the way, Wise is honestly the way to go. Both are awesome, but for low-fee global payments, Wise clearly comes out ahead. If this comparison helped you out, or if you just love digging into payment solutions, make sure to hit that follow button. We've got tons more deep dives to help you find the best tools for your business.